welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Zuleykha, and today's lesson is short, simple, but super useful. We're gonna fix some of the most common mistakes people make when reading dates, numbers, and time. So don't forget to grab your notebook, your food, and your equipment because today we're gonna learn English together in fun and easy way. So first, let's talk about numbers. I know you probably think, oh, come on, I already know how to count. 1, 2, 3. But no, I'm not talking about basic numbers. It's the tricky ones. So let's start with fractions. If you see numbers with a dot, this one, that dot is called point. So we say 4.6, 2.9, 3.8. But what about this one? Yeah, you can say 0.7, but most people just say 0.7, shorter and cooler. And this one, if you see this in numbers, don't say slash, but over. So you say 5/8 or 5/8 with
S
behind. And this one, 3/8, 3/8. Like that. But what about this? Did you say 1/4? No, it's not. It's a quarter or 1/4. And this one is a half or 1/2. Easy, right? And now talk about exponents. How to say this one? It's 4 squared. 4 squared. And this 4 cubed. 4 cubed. If it's something bigger, you can say to the power of. This one is 4 to the power of 6. So just remember, squared, cubed, and to the power of. Now let's talk about big numbers. How to say this one? It's 6,251,942. Well, here we have two quick rules. First, always use commas, not dots. Kalau di Indonesia kita menggunakan titik seperti ini, but in English we use commas like this. And another rule is always say and after 100. Itu sebabnya aku tekankan 6,251,942. Easy, right? Another way to say 0 is O. So, how to say the repeat numbers? This one is double, and this one is triple. Now, can you read this? It's 710-662-99994. I hope that's not a real number. And now let's move to dates. How can we read this? Well, we have two ways. British English and American. In British English, we say it's the 14th of March 2001. But in American English, it's March the 14th, 2001. Sama kayak di Indonesia, kalau kita bilang 17 Agustus 1945, kita menyebutkan tanggal, bulan, kemudian tahun. It means that we have the same rule as British. Now let's talk about the years. If the years before 2000, say them in half. It's 1992, 1775, 1892. But if the years after 2000, say them in full. 2001, 2007, 2015. But have you ever heard that before? 2020, 2025, or maybe 2024? Yeah, you can say that. It's more simple. And now telling the time. In school, we learn those classics like 8:30, 5:45. But now, just say what you see. 6:30, 8:45. Make it easier. And never say 14 o'clock. Say 2 p.m. instead. So we have 2 p.m. and a.m. It's 12 a.m. It's midnight. You are probably asleep. And this is 12 p.m. is noon. Hopefully you're awake. So you can tell him the time in many ways. To choose to make it easy. So that's the whole thing I can say. Numbers, dates, and time. They are not hard, but the little details matter a lot. Just keep practicing. Itu yang bisa aku sampaikan di video kali ini. Thanks for watching my video and see you on the next video.